friends. Waving hand. Welcome back to my colorful and yummy world. Sparkling heart. Guess what? Today we're going to do two super fun things. Party popper. First, we just came back from shopping bags and found a plain bag that needs some love. So we're going to paint the bag and turn it into something amazing with colors, stickers, and creativity. Artist palette handbag. It's going to be super cool, just like you. And that's not all. After we finish painting, we're heading to the kitchen to make a yummy treat. Fork and knife with plate. Yes, we're going to make awesome cupcakes using juicy grapes, and sweet mango. They'll be fruity, fluffy, and so tasty. Cupcake face savoring food. So grab your paints, your apron, and your big smile. Let's start this colorful and delicious adventure together. Dizzy, the king of fruits. Mango is a sweet and juicy fruit that grows on big trees in warm places. It comes in colors like yellow, orange, and green. Inside, it has soft flesh and one big seed. Mangoes are not only yummy but also super healthy. They give us vitamins, especially vitamin C, which keeps us strong. You can eat mangoes fresh, as juice, or even in ice cream. Summer is mango time, and it makes everyone happy. Mango is truly a magical fruit. One of the coolest fruits ever. Grapes are small, round, and come in colors like green, red, and purple. They grow in bunches on vines and are super fun to eat. You can eat them fresh, make juice, jelly, or even raisins from them. Grapes are sweet and juicy, and they pop in your mouth when you bite them. They are also full of good things like vitamins and antioxidants, which help keep our bodies strong and healthy. Grapes are a great snack for school or playtime. So next time you see a bunch of grapes, remember, they're tiny, tasty, and totally awesome. Party popper. Guess what we're making today? Yes, awesome cupcakes. Cupcake sparkles. But not just any cupcakes, these are made with grapes, and mangoes, fruity, juicy, and super tasty. We just came back from shopping bags and picked the freshest fruits, and now it's time to get baking. We're going to mix, stir, and decorate like little chefs. Woman cook, adult cooking. You don't need fancy stuff, just a few ingredients, your hands, and your big imagination. Light bulb. So wash your hands, put on your apron, and get ready to bake with me. By the end, we'll have the most colorful and delicious cupcakes ever. Rainbow cupcake. Don't forget, cooking is more fun when we do it together. Sparkling heart.